Hello friends, how you guys doing? Welcome once again to our channel. All right guys, today's video guys, Bitcoin is about to make a very dramatic move, and this move will determine the next phase of cryptocurrency, because anything that happens to Bitcoin eventually affects every other coins. So if you want to know what this move will be, kindly subscribe to this channel and like this video as we dive into the chart. All right, so let's get into Bitcoin chart. Now we can see last video I updated you guys that something is about to break. When we had this, I was thinking, okay, this is a sharp sell-off, correction, and then we're going up for this next wave. We can see how it plays out. All right, so what actually is going on now is something that you need to pay very good attention to. All right, because whenever this pattern plays out like this, it moves sluggishly, break this line sluggishly, and down we go. We've seen this happening over and over again, but now it's not over until it's over, because something like this might still happen. We've seen this to be an impulse up. So all this wave that is going in between these lines, they are all correction of this move. So anything is possible except until this is broken or this is broken. So whatever that happens here is a correction of this previous move. So that's why I just need to pay attention to this line, which has been acting like a support so far. But now what you can see from a wave structure pattern is this is a 1 2 3. We call it a 1 2 3. Now this is a wave of its own. So we're expecting this kind of wave here. So after that, there will be a sharp sell-off, pullback, again, and there we go. So that is on Bitcoin. So the trade for today, now there's no clear trade structure. All right, so all we are waiting for is to Bitcoin to give us a sense of direction or what is going on. So until it clears this move, guys, let it come here, clear these points, then we can see that this is complete structure. Then if it's coming up here to drop, we now know what else is doing. But for now, it's still correction. All right, so that is just on Bitcoin, guys. We are just waiting for it to complete. But looking at it from a bigger picture, that's daily is pointing downwards. It's pointing downwards. Remember what I told you guys before now, that this move is just kind of a correction. And if this is the case, that means Bitcoin is going to drop very massively. And if this drop happens, guys, there will be a lot of panic in crypto space. A lot of panic in crypto space. And believe you me, it's I don't want to say that. So looking at it from the weekly chart too, it's still correction. The same correction is going on. So let's just wait and observe the next phase. As a trader, there's no clear setup for us today. All we are waiting for is just for Bitcoin to give us that sense of direction as breaking up or breaking down of this move, so we can know where we are taking the trade to. Now, if we can take a look on other pairs like Ethereum, you also see the same thing playing out. Let's take a look on Ethereum. Ethereum, you can see, I don't think if you have broken this. This has not broken this. Because anytime it breaks this, let me check other Ethereum charts, because most times it can be confusing. It hasn't broken. The same thing applies on Ethereum. It haven't broken this top. So also the same pattern forming almost in all pairs. So what have we seen? This is sharp pullback. We can say that this is a B and this is C. So anytime a market is giving us kind of a contracting structure, so bear it in mind that the both side breakout is possible. But now, from all indication, we can see that if it goes sluggishly and break this kind of trend, then know that it's coming down. But now it's not over yet. So the structure is not over. It's not completed. So let's just wait and see until this market is completed. All right, if you take a look on other pairs like Cardano, I think this one looks a little bit different, but on a bigger structure in 4 hours, you can see that it looks more bearish here. You can see that this is a structure, this is a wave, this is a wave, and the next wave is coming down. I think we've seen that before happening here. happening here on Cardano. You can see that here clearly, that this is a wave, this is a wave, and next one coming down. So how it plays out might be aggressive or sluggish, but the wave remains the same. All right, so that is just on. So not much trade on crypto now. Let me take a look on this based on requests. Last trade this trade, guys, in case you are still on it, okay, you're still on it, what I think is it's time for you to book some profit. Yeah, it's time for you to book some profits. Yeah, because this wave is already exhausted. We call this trade last time. Let me see. Yeah, it's time for you to book some profits already in 0.618 and correcting. So book some profits except you believe that it's still going up. But for now, we are not seeing it's going to undergo a lot of potential correction before the next wave. Okay, you can see it's already okay. Look at this wave now. Maybe this will go up before coming down. But anytime you start seeing this exertion, it's a sign of reversal. Okay, but there is a possibility that one more leg will go up before next drop. All right, so that's just it. Okay, so as the market unveils, give us more clear structure for the day, we'll be updating you guys on the next setup. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will see you in the next video.